Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to sponsor someone on Cash App. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click the profile icon on the top right. Scroll a little bit down and here you will see family section. You need to click it. So from this page, a sponsored account for anyone who is 13 to 17 years old can be set up in minutes and used immediately with approval from a parent or guardian, guys. So you need to click invite a teen button on the bottom. You need to copy the invite link, or you can send it using any social networks or email or any other options. There are a lot of options, guys. Just send this to the teen who is 13 to 17 years old, your family member, so he or she will be able to create a Cash App account and you will be able to track this on the sponsored accounts activity section on your Cash App in real time. So this is how to sponsor someone on Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.